Squeeze some lime over the potatoes and you'll want to do this again and again. Look how beautiful they turned out, and they're also super delicious. For today's recipe, I'll need 1 kilogram of potatoes, like these ones here. I'll take one and make several cuts in it, like this, without cutting all the way through into 2 pieces. I'll always keep it whole. After that, I'll place it in a pot, repeating the process with all the other potatoes. Now, I'll fill the pot with hot water, covering all the potatoes. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and let them cook until they're ready for the recipe. Once they're ready, I'll separate the potatoes from the water, stopping the cooking process. I'll remove any excess water from them. Now I'll need a skillet. I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter and spread it well. Next, I'll add olive oil. Then I'll add the potatoes I prepared earlier. I'll only place as many as can fit in the skillet. Once one side is ready, I'll flip the recipe to the other side. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now I'll sprinkle some black pepper to taste over the recipe. I'll also add oregano to taste, covering all the potatoes. Next, I'll sprinkle some paprika to taste over them too. This seasoning will add a lot to the final flavor of the recipe. I'll finish it off with salt to taste over the top. Now I'll add 3 garlic cloves that I've already prepared. Also, another tablespoon of butter. I'll mix all the ingredients in the recipe very well. After that, I'll need a lime to squeeze its juice over the whole recipe like this. The taste of lime is incredible. I absolutely love using it in recipes. Then, I'll mix all the ingredients in the recipe very well again. Now I'll transfer the potatoes to a plate. I love making this recipe for weekend lunches. My family always asks me to make it for them, and there's never any left over. To top it off, I'll sprinkle some parsley to taste over them.